earn up to 10 cents per click, 100% legit. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use Claude AI to make money with CPA marketing, 100% trusted, 100% legit method. So first you need to do, you need to come on a website called TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor is a trusted big company when it comes to travel niche, and you need to scroll down on the bottom of this website and you need to click here on become an affiliate. And then here you will see more details about their affiliate program. And here you can see you can earn up to 10 cents per click, but you will be only paid for outbound clicks. So that is why I strongly advise to read all of these data here, to read everything that is written here very, very carefully. And to join their affiliate program, you will need to click here on sign up on Commission Junction. And you need to sign up and become a Commission Junction affiliate, okay? After that, you will be able to promote TripAdvisor products. After that, you will be able to earn up to 10 cents per click, outbound click. But if you don't want to promote TripAdvisor, or you don't want to promote anything in travel niche, what you can do is you can simply go here on Claude AI and you can give it this prompt, okay? And here you can see this prompt will actually help you to find other websites, other affiliate programs like TripAdvisor that will pay you per click in other niches. And all you have to do now is just click here on enter and Claude AI will find more websites, more companies that have similar affiliate programs. Just give it a few seconds to finish. Okay. Claude AI finished, and here you can see they found CPC ClickOut Affiliate Programs Complete Research Guide. And here you can see TripAdvisor, obviously. Here you can see Kayak Affiliate Network. You can earn from 50 cents to $1.50 per click. And what you need to do, you simply need to highlight this, right click here and open in a new tab. And then here you can see more data about Kayak Affiliate Network. And here you can see they will explain how this works. Here you can see grow your traffic and revenue, drive high intent travel searches through Kayak Network brand and earn through clicks, booking and revenue while tracking performance in your affiliate reports. And as you can see here, through clicks, so you can make money for every click. But like I said, you need to read all of these rules very, very carefully in order to see for what exact clicks you will earn an affiliate commission. And here you can see there is more networks, similar networks that will pay you per click. And here you can see finance and insurance CPC programs. Here you can see SaaS and AI tool affiliate programs. Here you can see job board and career CPC programs, and so on and so on. And you need to join to at least one of these programs and you will be able to earn per click. So now you need to start promoting one of these affiliate programs. So let's say, for example, I'm in travel niche and I wish to promote TripAdvisor. So I need to offer something interesting to my public, to my audience, in order to send them to TripAdvisor. So I need to make a tool, okay? And I will offer that tool for free. So I will go back here on Claude AI and I will give it a new prompt. And I will say something like this, okay? And here you can see now Claude AI will make an app for me. And this app I will offer for free. And all I have to do now is just close this, click here, and Claude AI will make this app. Now, point with Claude AI, it will make a really good and really detailed app. And that may take some time. Quite often it takes 5, maybe even 10 minutes, even 15 minutes to make that app. So I decided to make a tool that will help these travelers to actually calculate how much money they need to travel to Rome, to Paris, to Madrid, to London, to New York, and to see how much public transport costs, how much hotels costs, how much taxis cost, and so on and so on. And not just that, but with this tool, I can also integrate affiliate links for a specific hotels and make even more money. And Claude AI finished making this app. So when I click here, I can see how this app looks. Here you can see it looks, I can choose dark or light. And here you can see plan your perfect journey. That is the title of my website, of my tool, okay? This is an application, 20 plus destinations. Here you can see 100% personalized, free forever. I will not charge for this app ever. I am offering it forever for free, okay? And here you can see, tell us about your dream trip. And here I need to choose destination. So let's test this app, okay? So I need to choose a destination. Here you can see all the available destinations. Let's say, for example, Rome, Italy. Here you can see number of travelers. I will choose solo, okay? Travel style, I will choose, let's say, for example, foodie, okay? Hotel, I will leave it as a hotel. Budget travel, I will leave it as a mid-range, okay? How long? I will stay 3 days. Travel pace, let's say relaxed, okay? Transportation, I can choose public transit, taxi, car rental, but I will leave it as a mix. And here, interests, I will choose food, okay? And all I have to do is just click here and give it a few seconds to actually do the research and calculate how much money I need. And here you can see, okay, I need $1,700. That is my total estimated cost, okay? Here you can see per person, I need $368 per day. Accommodation, $185 per day. Estimated flight, $600 per day. Here you can see budget breakdown, accommodation, food, transport, attractions, flight, okay? Here you can see accommodation, hotel dorm. Here you can see Airbnb, total. Here you can see food and dining, transportation, day by day. So this is a really, really good app. And I will offer this app totally free. It even gives a weather forecast for this city, okay? This is a really, really good app. And I will offer this app 100% free. And I will use this app to promote TripAdvisor and to make money for every visitor that I send to TripAdvisor. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here on download, okay? Click here on download and I will download this to my desktop, okay? So now I need to install this on my hosting, okay? You need to install this on your web hosting in order to offer this for free. But for the purpose of this video, I will install this on Google's site, okay? Just click here and I will go then on embed, okay, and embed code, and I will embed my app. Click here on next, give it a few seconds, click here on insert, and I will actually make this wider like this, okay, and I will make this to be longer. Okay? And I will click here on preview to see how this looks. Of course, I would remove the header here. And here you can see how this looks, okay? And this is exactly how this looks. So this looks good. Let's see on smartphone how this looks. It looks good on a smartphone as well, okay? And let's just see on tablet. And also it looks really good on tablet as well. Now to promote your TripAdvisor affiliate program, you have two options. If you're more skilled, you can actually implement affiliate offers specific hotels directly here in this app. But if you are absolute beginner, and I'm guessing that most of you are absolute beginners, you can actually just click here on embed and you can click here on embed code and you can add an affiliate link, TripAdvisor affiliate link that you will get once you join Commission Junction affiliate program. You can simply embed that banner here and you need to start sending traffic to your app. You can send traffic from Pinterest. That is by far best option when it comes to traveling niche. For other niches, you need to send traffic from other sources. Instagram, TikTok. TikTok is also really, really good source of free traffic. So when I search here for travel, here you can see there are all kind of subcategories. And here you can see many of these pins are getting a lots of engagement. Look at this, almost 6,000 saves. Here you can see 3,000, 3,000, 2,000, 3,000. This one here has more than almost 8,000 repins. So you will get a lots of traffic. You can get lots of traffic from Pinterest to this app that you installed on your website that you can use to promote TripAdvisor pay-per-click affiliate program and to earn up to 10 cents per click. Like I said, you don't have to promote TripAdvisor, when you go here on Claude AI will find you more affiliate programs that you can actually promote to make money with CPA marketing. And like I said, here you can see it actually divided these in categories. So you can search by category all of these websites that are offering this kind of affiliate program. I will leave you these prompts in the description of this video. So this is how you can use Claude AI to make money with CPA marketing in 2026 as an absolute beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.